Hello guys, today I'm doing apple crumble. This is my apple peeled, washed and cooked in cinnamon powder or the stick if you have it. Then with juice, lemon juice, a lot of lemon juice and the zest as well. So this is the lemon juice I used. I used this one, the skin, and use a lot of fresh lemon juice to cook the apple. So this is my baking pan for it. This is the butter I use to do the crumble, apple crumble. This is the apple crumble. I put the butter in the freezer to get very cold so that when I mix it in the self-raising flour, it's gonna come out crumble as well. Normally, some people, they put the butter in the flour and mix it with the sugar. Because I don't eat sugar, so I'm gonna tip in honey inside the apple before I put in the apple crumble on top of the cooked apple and put in the oven. So now I'm gonna tip in my cooked apple inside the baking pan or dish, whatever you want to call it. So this is it now. This is the apple. It's hot. You can see the steam. I squeeze in a lot of apple. I want that tingling in my mouth, you know, fresh juice. You can use the bottle one if you want, but I normally like my fresh juice, you know. So I'm gonna put in now the apple crumble, the crumble, which is the flour. Tip it in, then just spread it evenly. So when it is cooked, I'm gonna put in I use honey as well to cook the apple. So when it is cooked, baked, then I'm gonna sprinkle the honey on top to serve it. So I'm gonna tip it in the oven now, bang it in the oven to bake. This is the oven. This is the oven. You can see myself in the oven there. Showing myself. So this is the oven. It's going in the oven now. In there for about 45 minutes to get cooked, baked, come out crunchy. Then I'm gonna have it with ice cream or yogurt or custard made with milk to serve on top of it. So after that now, guys, I'm gonna crack on. I want to do a little bit of jollof rice, very simple and easy one, while the apple crumble is cooking in the oven. So guys, don't fail to subscribe on my channel. Leave your comments. Any criticism, leave it there. Then I'll get back and improve more. And thank you and have a lovely day. And bye. Cheers.